Hey, welcome back. Let's understand what happens when you use a break statement inside a loop. The break statement is used to terminate the iteration process and exit the loop immediately. Let's break down the given code. We have an array called fruits with the following elements: apple, banana, orange, grapes. The for loop iterates over each element in the array. Inside the loop, there is an if statement that checks if the current element is orange. If it is, the break statement is executed, which immediately exits the loop. Let's walk through the code. In the first iteration, the item is apple and the value of I is 0. The if condition fruits at 0 dot equals orange fails because apple is not equals to orange. The program skips the if block and prints apple. In the second iteration, item is banana and the value of I is 1. The if condition fails again because banana is not equals to orange. The program skips the if block and prints banana. In the iteration 3, item is orange and the value of I is 2. The if condition is true because fruits at 2 dot equals orange. That means the item is orange and we are equalizing it with orange. So it comes as true. The break statement is executed and the loop exits immediately. After all the iterations, this is how the final output looks like. Apple, banana. The break statement exits the entire loop and no further iterations are performed after it.